Today's video is going to be about the S-Class. Again, my beautiful car. I love Mercedes-Benz, as you know. And today we're just going to be replacing this one item here. If you had checked it out in one of my older videos that I replaced this because it was broke and it was doing some other things to my car, I'm going to go ahead and replace this. Been looking online for the prices of this, and there's no way in earth that I'm going to be paying $400 to $500 for this little piece when you can always go to your local junkyard and find these pieces. You may find a good one or you may find an old one like we'll see in the video. This is a sensor, and I'm gonna take it apart for you quickly so you can see on the inside. I have no idea what these do, what these read, but it seems pretty intricate and detailed. So this part right here is actually broken. There's a piece in the middle that's gone, and I'm just going to go find another one at the junkyard today and replace this thing. All right, guys, I'm into the yard now, but it's $2 just to enter. I didn't see anything like that before. Find out where the Mercedes are inside of here. I think it's up here in the corner, so let's take a look at it. Okay, so I think it's up over here. Got one S-Class over there. Hopefully I can find this part. All right, let's keep walking on up. All right, so there's one right there, and then there's one right here. So let's check this one out right here. Here's the first one. I know a lot of people don't know too much about these, so most of them will be on here. Let's just see. Okay, doesn't seem too bad. All right, so I found exactly what I wanted. I paid $2.75 for that part, so let's go on home. Okay, so let's go ahead and throw this back on. And as usual, gonna put the hood up. Okay, so these sensors are always located by the air duct and water drains. All right, try to get some of that dirt and dust off of this thing right here. And then when you put it on, you're gonna have this part right here embracing that. So it's pretty simple. Put that out the way. Just set it in here. Put that in there, and then put the clip back on. Get our screws. Put one in there to hold it. Get the other one. That one in. All right, so after you get it all in there, nice and tight, then we can turn the car on. Have a little try at it. I don't know. See about the mirrors. This mirror's been messed up now because the heat stayed on the entire time. Messed it up right around here. All right. So they're not on automatically, so that's good. You also will have the heating right in here where I was talking about that would get warm. And then it will also sense some of the other things on the car. Okay, so that's back on there now. I'm not exactly sure what it's going to do because I'm going to actually see later on in the week. It's supposed to be like super cold out, so I'm going to go in and see if it turns the heat back on, because the heat for the things that I was mentioning hasn't come on, but it hasn't been super cold or anything like that outside that would say, oh my God, I need this, on right now. So I'll give it a shot and see what happens. There's really not a lot of information about this little piece and exactly what it does and how important it is, but I just wanted one because I know the other one that I had was broke, and I don't like having missing pieces on this beautiful and wonderful car. They're all wonderful cars. The 430s all the way up to the 600s are fantastic, but I'm also not paying, I think online they wanted $354.95. I'm not paying that for that thing. Just get a good used one if you can find one at the junkyards like I did, and just go from there. Just go for it, you know. So thanks for checking out this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.